Hello guys and welcome back to my channel Beginners Lab. In today's video we are going to learn about IAM. Okay, so there is a service called IAM inside our AWS. IAM stands for Identity and Access Management. I'm not going deep in the concepts and all means theory part. Just I will show you something. I'm having a image right here. See, have a look. This is an IAM developer, DevOps, my apps, admin. This is the user, then under user. So basically, those who guys are having the idea of information security, there is access control and other things. They must be getting this diagram very well. But for others, I want to explain you that IAM services, simple terms you can understand that. In my office, I'm having three types of people. One is my clerk department, another is my development and operation team, which stand for DevOps, and one is CEO. So what happens here? If I am a CEO of a company, I don't want that my codes and projects list should go to clerk. Means clerk should get the access of the work only regarding how much payment is coming, how much we are paying to developers. They must be having the access of those things only. They are not required to work on when is project delivery date, when project will come, when project will go, from where the project is going, which are the features which are going. So same as for DevOps team also, they don't want to look into each other's salaries because it's not their job. So what IAM do, this differentiates the roles. How? Like if I am having one person, I am adding a new person in my team, and I am knowing that he is just a beginner. So I cannot give him all the permissions that, hey buddy, take the key, you can lock the office whenever you want, you can open whenever you want. Or I can give him the whole access of the clerk department. Look at the money, do anything, I don't care. So this we cannot play. This is a risk. This can be based on responsibilities, on levels and everything. So what we'll do today, we will create a simple user and give him few permissions, and let's see what that user can do or not. So firstly, click, let's go to our home page. So I am going for IAM. We need to write here, see, first option IAM, manage access AWS. So open it. So users, see, I am having one user of Drago project. This is my currently which I've created. So let's create, click here, new user, username. So username can be sample user for class. Okay, so here's an option that sometimes what happen, you don't want to give a console. So what is a console? The page we were looking at back, that is our console page. So I'm giving the console page access also. Okay, now it's saying specify a user identity center. No, I want to create, I need a new one only. So here is one auto generated password. If you create an auto generated, it will be downloaded in your download list. So just let's create a custom password of, see, created a password. So what will happen, see here, user must create a new password. If you will click on this, what will happen whenever user will log in with the password, he or she need to change the password. Means only once he or she can log in with the custom password or the auto generated password. I will keep it same only because I'm going to delete the user. So save, C, add user to a group. So this groups and all things I will be discussing in my further videos. So attach policy, we will give him policy. So create policy or search policy. We will see here only what we have done. We have done EC2. We have done. So there are different types of policies in EC2s also. Like it's a full access. Just note down this point. We never give full access to anyone. If we give, we also send the boundaries for them, that how much they can use, after how much time and all other. See, basically I'm giving full access. So if I want to work with this ID in EC2, everything will be accessible in this. Okay, and whatever he or she will be using, I have to pay for it from my root account. Okay, so no big deal. I've created a custom password, required password reset, no. Using the same, what are the permissions, you can give more than one also. So it's showing you this, that email instructions for copy it. Now I cannot play on this tab, sorry. So I will go with Google tab. So I have opened my this page, so Google, because I cannot do in the same browser. So I copied the link here. See, my name is already there. Sorry, this is not my name. See, what you can do is I copied it, I pasted it. See, basically what happens that these all things get filled, but okay, no. So I know my password. See, I'm signed in. So now what happened? See, this is our console page which I was talking about. So what happened here is I have created a second ID from my root account. So basically it's forming a tree like structure, like I am a parent root. So next time having children's, so whatever they will do, I need to pay home business. See, now if I will search here IM, what will happen? I clicked on it. See, this thing came available. Okay. See this note, access denied. Now one more is there as 3 bucket. See what I am servicing, I am telling you the names also. I will be explaining this in new videos. Again I came on this. I will go on create bucket. Means we are just giving a try. At the end of the day, we can't create a bucket also because we are not having permission. So we will just go to EC2 a work. So here I need to create whatever I need to do here. Create instances, security groups, images, AMI, network, load balancer, auto scale. I can do everything here because I am granted the permission here. So clear with this much. So once you have created, simple. I told you how to create. Then our next step is how to delete. We must delete simultaneously only because I forget my users names and all. Then again and again going to those things doesn't feel good. So see, today I told you about creating simple user, nothing big deal. Just I gave you an example also that how the things will work. So from next time, in our next video, I will be working on, see, user groups we can work, rules, policies, many things are there. We will be doing it. Means according to point of view of basic cloud computing, I would be teaching all the subjects which I think are important, and maybe in like 2 days if I get any news that this topic is going so viral, so popular, like interview questions also we will prepare later on after completing my whole session. Then we will look into that also. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you to create a IM user.